Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel and also to a rather messy layout. As you can see, like most modelers, we tend to accumulate lots of stuff all over the layout, and every now and then we have a tidy up. Obviously the tidying up process hasn't really taken place for me just yet, but planning to do that, but just really wanted to do an update today. It's been a little while since the last one, and I have done a bit to layout. Admittedly, been a bit lazy. There's been loads of other stuff going on that I've been working on that's not related to model railways, and I haven't really had too much time, but I have almost completed the probably one and only kit that will be on the layout. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour around the layout, show what we've been up to, show you a couple of items in new stock, and then that'll be pretty much it for today, and hopefully that'll be sort of bring up to speed as to where I'm at as well, and also some thoughts on, well, some more thoughts on Catenary as well at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. Right, let's dive straight in. I'm going to show you my footbridge project which I've been working on, which is a fabulous Kibri kit. Let's go straight to that. So I wasn't actually planning on buying any kits for the layout, but I really wanted a footbridge for it, but didn't really. I'm not really feeling like I want to scratch build a footbridge. I did scratch build one before, it came out okay. However, I found this Kibri kit, which is a really good basis for this particular footbridge here at Pratel station. There are others very similar dotted around the Swiss network of a similar sort of style of structure. I kind of thought that this building here, or this footbridge here, would work really well and be a good basis for it. Obviously mine won't be green, it'll be grey, but let me show you on the layout how it looks so far, how far I've got, and what I'm planning on doing to it to make it a bit more personalised. So here is the footbridge. You can see it's a really nicely detailed structure. It's a really lovely kit. Kibri have done a really nice job. It kind of fits really well for what I'm trying to achieve as well. You see it's in several sections. So we've got one section just here, another section here, another section here. These have all been cut and shut so it works and sticks together with a little bit of filler to just fill the little gap. I didn't quite get it right, but it's pretty much spot on, and once painted you won't be able to see it, but the detailing you can see there, it's actually rather good. Just got this side over here to finish off, and that, once painted grey, will look the part, I think. I'm also going to add some extra little details along inside so you won't be able to see through the gaps, because that's how they seem to be on the ones I've seen in photos in Switzerland, but just give you an idea of the back of the footbridge there. And Kibri have done a nice job. It's a great kit. It's gone together very well, so can highly recommend the kits. I had to buy two to make the structure, so it's probably the most expensive footbridge I've ever built on an N-gauge layout. But hey, it's the only kit I'll probably buy, he says. But certainly at the moment I don't plan on buying any others. Everything else will be scratch built. So yeah, so that's the bridge. I shall hopefully get that finished, and I'll be able to show you the finished article in the next video. So here's my latest item of rolling stock, the RE450 Zurich S-Bahn from Fleischmann. Quite an old model, but still a fabulous looking train. These tend to run either on their own or in 2 or 3 sets attached, but it's a cracking model. So there you go guys, a short update today, but hopefully that gives you a bit of insight of what I have and haven't been up to. Thoughts on Catenary. I mentioned this earlier in the video, but I saw this video on YouTube I've been watching trains in Switzerland obviously, and there was a few shots from a little bit higher, and I kind of thought, do you know what, that looks more like a modeller's view of a railway, and you can't actually see the overhead wires. And I've always been debating whether to do overhead wires or not to do overhead wires, and I've seen some great engaged layouts with, and I've seen some fantastic engaged layouts without, one of which is Simon's Dalham sidings in Engage, West Coast Main Line, worth checking out on YouTube. It's a really good layout. He's got all the masts in place but no wires, and it does look good still. So this photo that I saw of the prototype, you can't actually see the wires from this view, and it's almost an Engager's view. So I'm kind of thinking maybe I might not model the wires, but comments down below please guys, let me know what you think. Should I do the wires or not? And do put me in the direction of any other layouts that you think might be useful for me to see, that have the wires on, that will maybe inspire me to either model or not. I'll leave that one with you. Anyway, take care guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos of my Swiss layout, and look forward to see you guys in the next one. Until next time, happy modelling. Cheers now guys, see you soon.